New and working codes inside of Volleyball Legends. When you join up the game, you can open up your shop and you can straight up go to the codes, redeem every single one of them, follow along. You'll be awarded a bunch of lucky spins. The first code is going to be very simple. Up 8 underscore 26 up 8 24 6 757. This is not AI generated. What is heavier, 50 kilograms of feathers or 50 kilograms of metal bricks? Underscore 26. This is the first code that you want to redeem. Update 26. Is it even update 26? Maybe it's update 27, I forgot. I actually forgot. I know it's Volcano Season 5. But which update is update 26? Is it update 26 or is it update 27? Only one person will notice. Ronaldo. Ronaldo! Nothing starts with a O and ends in an O. Everybody knows this. Everybody knows this, okay? KAZANA update. It is update 26. So this is the first code, update 26. The next one. Update underscore 27. This is one of the upcoming codes that will be added into Volleyball Legends. It is not out yet, but the developers will be adding this code very soon. January 3rd, 2049. Which number are you? New underscore style. New underscore style. Someone needs to invent socks, but for our hands, because my hands are always cold. Like, I'm thinking of a brand new invention. It's like socks, but for your hands. Already redeemed. The next one. KAZANA. Coming. Imagine being born in January. People that are born in January have to wait a whole year for their birthday. You have to like wait one whole year before it's your birthday again. Being born in January is actually hard mode. Ronaldo Sigma number 7. These are all the codes. How much spins do we get? Okay, we get 72 of these ability spins and we got 163 of these other spins, and you can actually get this new character. You have 9 days left. After 9 days he will be gone, but you can still use him.